Here's Nintendo Music app. It was just released. Listen to Nintendo soundtracks on your smart device with an inclusive app for Nintendo Switch Online members. So you can just tap on here, and then here is the app. You can just go and install it. And it's super easy to install. Music app made for Nintendo video game soundtrack. Special offer for Nintendo Switch Online members, featuring tracks from a variety of games. Lyrics are accompanied by game art, extend playback to create a backdrop for studying or working, organize tracks into personalized playlists. So yeah, just the tracks and music from Nintendo games. From Super Mario to Animal Crossing and beyond, it's now just a tap away. So you just open up the app, and then here it is. Then you need to have Nintendo Switch Online membership to access this app. And then you need to go to Accounts Nintendo and then just sign in from here.